will have Kagiwa, Helterbrand, Villanueva, Wilson, and Tubid for the final 55 seconds of this game. JJ over to Kagiwa, nasa kanan. Mark, does hinahanap si Enrico. Puts it on the floor. Power move. Villanueva with a quick two.
Oh, but Powerade, ano? We're looking for the offensive foul doon. Nung tumumpa doon si Sean Anthony, but no foul was given.
30-second timeout requested by the Powerade Tigers. 46 seconds natitira dito. Ang pinaka-importante ba sa susunod na offensive ay lang ng Powerade ang bola?
Correct. Oh, sapagkat ng kupunan ng Barangay Ginebra ay may isa na lamang na foul actually, but with only 46 seconds, only foul they can give up. So mahaba pa ito para sa kupunan ng Powerade. Again, yung nakita natin doon, mahaba pa yung oras, ha. One possession ball game na lamang ito mag and even itong Powerade, kung hindi nila ito may papasok, a lot of time para sa Barangay Ginebra to again make a basket, possibly tie or chop the lead down to only one.
O mga Tigre ng Powerade ay kakayanin ba to hang on to this 3-point lead at makakuha ng tabla sa second place sa team standings? 46 seconds ang natitira sa ating orasan para malaman kung ang magiging resulta. Gary David will have Romel Aducol, Celino Cruz, Will Antonio, and Marshall Lassiter as his teammates on the floor. Celino mag-uubos ng oras. Negoro David nasa kanto. Gary D. Inuubos ng Powerade. Itong ating oras, 15 segundos sa kanilang shot clock. Aducol offering the pick. Celino nagmamando. Enrico nag-switch sa kanya. Celino taking it over to Aducol. Sobrang tira pero merong foul.
Nice assist on the part of Celino Cruz. Hindi niya inalintanan, mauubos siya yung oras. Alam niya may pwede siyang gawin. Sumaksak ito. Nagkulap sa kanyang depensa. He knew na mayroong isang luwag na player. Even if that player is Romel Aducol, he will give up that pass.
Aducol, nako, bitin yung una. Kailangan niya kahit isa lang to make it a 2-possession lead para sa Tigers.
Correct. With 26.2 seconds remaining in this ball game, talaga naman, all throughout this ball game, talagang exciting ball game ang inihandog ng PBA dito sa Victoria City, Bago. At walang bigayan dito. Palitan ng kanyo, palitan ng magagandang place.
Aducol, second free throw, mintis din. Wala na pong timeout ang Barangay Ginebra. Lassiter saves it over. Pero si Helterbrand ang bubulot ng bola. JJ pushes it hard for the Gin Kings. JJ down to Kagiwa. Gets the 2 points. Down to a 1-point ball game with 14 seconds remaining.
Sayang yung mga free throw si Romel Aducol. Though they will have the last day of 14 seconds. So they would hope to have the last say in this ball game. Wala na silang kailangan gawin dyan. But definitely, Ginebra will gamble on a foul.
This time around, pagka nai-inbound ng Powerade ang bola, nakita natin kanina, may konting flashes of a trap. Uhuli sana sila nung previous play, uhuli sana ng ball hugging violation. Pero now with 14.1 seconds, parang out of the equation yun.
At makikita mo doon sa uling basket ni Mark Kagiwa, wala na naman yung big man. Big man talaga ng Powerade. Ang hindi nagpakita dito sa laro na ito, walang problema sa kanilang backcourt up to their small forward. Pero the power forward in the center, yun wala sa Powerade. But 14 seconds, ang dami pang mangyayari dito. First they have to do is make the inbound.
Aside from making the inbound, kailangan din siguraduhin mahuhusay sa free throw ang 5 na magiging personnel dyan na itong Powerade. Wala na rin timeout ang Powerade Tigers. Huling 14.1 seconds will be played out. It is promising to be wild, Rado.
Well, sisiguraduhin natin yung free throw shooting nitong mga Powerade because we expect na papaulin talaga sila. And throughout this ball game, makikita natin ang numero ng Powerade pagdating sa kanilang free throw shooting ay hindi ganun kataasan, especially with that last 2 misses nitong si Romel Aducol.
Si Casio pinasok para kay Aducol at may delay of game warning na kukunin itong si Mark the Spark Kagiwa para makita nila kung ano yung kilo. Sabay si Wilson manggugulo ngayon kay Lassiter. Nahihirapan. Kanino siya pupunta? Degoro David. Gary D is fouled by Ronald Tobid. Halos 2 segundo na tapyas sa ating orasan.
Former teammate sa Air 21 Express. So ngayon, Barako Bull. Ano? Pero ngayon, magkalaban na sila. Nasa Inebra si Tubit.
Pero kahit ano mangyari, kahit pumasok pa pareho yan, one possession game lang to, Rado.
Tama ka. And going back to the stats ng Powerade sa free throw, 10 out of 13 ang ng Powerade and pressure pack free throws for Gary David.
Nakompetisunan!
And even if he makes the second, tatlong magkakasunod yan na Mintes. 2 kay Romel Adukol, isa dito kay Gary David. Gary David is first miss sa free throw line, 2 out of 3 tonight.
Gary D, the scoring leader. The last years. Misses both. Rebound. Ginebra. They can go for the win with 8 seconds remaining. Mark Kagiwa to JJ Helterbrand. Takes it to the hole. Ginebra. Kagiwa. Laban. Ang Ginebra. 1.6 remaining. Here comes Gary D. Hail Mary. No! Barangay Ginebra will pull off the victory here in Victorias.
And what a way for Barangay Ginebra. Giving up on that in the last seconds of this ball game.
And look at the Gin Kings celebrating on the floor. Grabe naman yung ninakaw nilang panalo dito.
Yung binabanggit natin sa Powerade. Free throws are very important in basketball. And when you miss 4 straight free throws in the crucial seconds of this ball game, something bad is bound to happen to your team.
73-72 ang ating final score. What a sequence of events. The last 2 minutes definitely one that will go into the books, Rado.
Well, magandang ulit-ulitin ito. Ratsada, wala nang choice doon. Si JJ Helderman, he will go for it. Tumalbog at lumabas, but his partner, the Spark, again, no rebounders for Powerade. Nanood. They will pay for it.
73-72 Barangay Ginebra napulot na ang kanilang ikalawang panalo dito sa Philippine Cup at patuloy ang kanilang mastery on the road.
And they will tie for with Powerade with 2 wins and 2 losses